Hi students, good morning. I hope everyone safe in your home. In the last videos we discussed about the prime factors. So many students responded very well. So I am very happy about that. Now we are going to discuss about the prime factorization or repeated division. So this prime factorization or repeated division means the same thing. What is the prime factorization means? The method of expressing a number as a product of its prime factors are called the prime factorization. That means which number we are going to division again and again, we have to take the only prime factors only. That method are called the prime factorization method. We are repeating that prime factors repeated, that division are called the repeated division. So here we are going to discuss how we are the prime factorization we have to do with repeated division. Prime factorization how we are doing to repeated with division. Here in the page number 99 we observed in your textbook. So how can we do the prime factorization using the prime factorization? How can we do the repeated division? Here I am going to take one example, 36. In the prime factorization, what is the first prime factor? 2. Now we have to observe one thing, that the given number can divisible by 2. Why we are taking the 2? The first prime factor are the 2. That's why we are taking the 2. In the 2 table, 36 will be divisible. How much? 2 18 are 36. Again, these 18 can divisible in the 2? Yes. 2 9 are 18. That this 9 can divisible in the 2? No. What is the next prime factor? 3. So 3 3 is 9. These 3 will be divisible in the 3 table. 3 1s are 3. So how can we write the answer? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Okay. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 3s are 36. Now in your textbook, in the exercise 3.3 page number 100, we are in the first Roman. When you see this, find the prime factors of the following numbers using repeated division. So I am going to do the first problem in the textbook. What is that? 54. I am going to do this 54 in the repeated division using the prime factorization. First we have to do the prime factor. What is the first prime factor? 2. In the 2 table 54 can divisible? Yes, in the 2 table 54 can divisible. In which number? 2 27s are 54. 2 27s are 54. 27 can divisible in the 2? No. What is the next prime factor? 3. 3 9s are 27. So 9 can divisible in the 3? Yes. How much? 3 3s are 9. Again 3 1s are 3. Here the 2 or 3 are the prime factors. We know that. So how can we write the answer? 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. 2 3s are 6. 6 3s are 18. 18 3s are 54. It is the answer. Now in the textbook I am going to tell about the third one, 99. How can we solve this? 99. So 99. What is the first prime factor? 2. 2 can divisible that 99? No. What is the next prime factor? 3. In the 3 table, 99 can divisible. How much? 3 33s are 99. Again, these 33 can divisible in the 3 table. 3 11s are 33. So, in the 3 table, 11 can divisible? No. What is the next prime factor? 5. 5 can divisible? No. What is the next one? 7. 7 can divisible? No. What is the next prime factor? 11. In the 11 table can divisible? Yes. 11 1s are 11. So how can we write the answer? 3 into 3 into 11. I hope everyone understand. Now we are going to discuss about the fifth one, 210. How can we solve this 210? So what is the first prime factor? 2. In the 2 table 210 can divisible? Yes. 210 can divisible. How much? 200. 105 is 2 into 105 is 210. Okay. In the 105 2 can divisible? No. In which table can divisible? In which prime factor can divisible? In the 5. Yes. 5 is the prime factor na. So 5 21s are 105. Next 21. How can we divisible? 21 means in the 3 table. 3 also the prime factor. 3 7s are 21. So which table 7 can divisible? In the 7 only. 7 also the prime factor. So 7 ones are 7. How can we write this answer? 2 into 5 into 3 into 7. 2 5s are 10. 10 3s are 300. 300 7s are 210. Sorry, 2 5s are 10. 10 3s are 30. 37s are 210. This is the answer. In these, using of these process, you can solve the remaining problems 70, 121 and 294 and write these 3 problems in your CW and do the remaining problems also in your CW and show me in the group. Thank you.